So our team just deployed some software this morning. We took a product to production, some project that we were working on for about 4 or 5 months now, and as a result of that, I was thinking about it, and in this particular case, it went really well. And over my career, I've had plenty of projects that have gone well, and I've had a couple that haven't gone well when we've deployed to production. And I think what it boils down to, I've been thinking about this morning, is I think the key, or at least what I've seen is to be the key of success when creating products and releasing them, and getting there in a way that we test it and tests are passing, and our customers are using it. We're not getting issues. I think the key is product owner engagement right from the beginning. This might seem really obvious, but there have been plenty of projects I've worked on where the person who's responsible ultimately for the project, the product, it's the design of it, the vision of it, the execution of it, etc. There have been cases I've seen where they hire into consulting, or they have a product team, and they kind of walk away a little bit from it because people are busy, and I understand that. Uh, but I will say in the cases where it's worked the best, it's because I've given them access to our work items. I happen to use Azure DevOps, but Jira works really well as well. But providing that full transparency so that they can be involved, so that they understand the requirements, and that they're actually using the product in a development or UAT environment on a daily basis. That has been a really key indicator for us of success on our projects, because just by brute force, if you're going through the application over and over, you're going to be acting like your customers. And when you do that, you're going to find a lot of the bugs before they do. The goal is, if you're a consulting company or if you're a product company, you want to find the bugs as a developer before your product owner does. And as a product owner, you want to find bugs before your customers do. So there's a little bit of a waterfall to that. But again, number one key to success here, I think, if I can get one thing across, and this applies to consulting and any other team who creates products, it's get your product owners involved as soon as possible and keep them engaged through the length of the project, because that'll make all the difference.